got Rocky with us. Hey, Rocky. Say hi to Car's here. There's this little ginger. Oh crap, Rocky out. Rocky.
Rocky. What are you doing, Rocky? Did you just follow around with the camera now?
Hey, your video, you go put that on his
YouTube channel.
You know, it's not a website, it's YouTube. I own a website. I don't understand technology. Did you?
Yeah.
You got to teach a dog that?
Pretty good at it.
Ride.
Pretty good at it. Well, without jumping out. You know what I mean? Without jumping out.
Should I kill myself? I think it was. You look like you're a sketchy perv trying to record girls.
Come here.
What are you doing, big boy? So, would you got like German commands? Huichenwagen!
Maybe.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, I thought.
It's not Christmas.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be something interesting.
It's July.
It is.
Or like Brenner says. Like whoops.
Hey man. Cruising my feet. What kind of camera's that?
I don't know.
Yeah, it looks like Sling Blade. Far off from Sling Blade. Let's get a good shot of Devin crying. Get on the car! Look at my face! Look at my face! I'm gonna edit this. Look in them ears, man.
Hey, you owe me $50.
$50 for what?
You said that dog's ear would flop like cookies.
Yeah, you did. At the apartment.
He said, that's no, you $50, Dad. I said, for what? He said,
You're just saying that because you owe me money for him out running.
No, it happened at the apartment.
Well, maybe, but we didn't check on it. But we did check on you racing Mally.
goes behind his head, though.
What
The fan on his ears, look how it's right.
Yeah.
Hey, Daddy,
Yeah, you look like one of those Nazi dogs. I wonder how many Jews his bloodline killed.
A bunch.
No, get down.
I will laugh if he would look at you and said,
where's Charlie at? She's never seen Rocky, has she?
I probably don't want to.
Couldn't blame her.
No, but his coat feels like a dead possum's coat. Y'all need to give him some eggs or
She
something.
told me the other day, and it looked like a
dead possum.
weed come off him. Go get your mommy.
She ain't here.
Where's she at?
What is this dude doing?
Where's she at?
Pop, drive by.
Then Rocky starts running after him and bites. Why is he taking a...
He's taking pictures of your neighbor's house.
Can we help you?
Yeah, I'll make sure that, Foreman and Omino or whoever that is with her,
Jeff?
Pamela,
Oh, I don't know. A guy named Jeff.
I think it's his wife.
Oh.
Thank you.
What in the hell did he say? I'm making sure.
No one's going down.
He ain't home.
Something about his wife.
The Beamer's gone. I mean, the Mercedes.
The Mercedes.
The Mercedes. He's at his summer home in Virginia.
You know, he likes little kids. Rocky does.
That's
He likes
weird.
to eat them.
Well, I thought you were talking about the guy in the truck. He really does like little kids driving around taking pictures.
Show
Show me some skin. I'd rather not. at all show you anything ever. Why are we like this? Are we take off, boy?
Dad, how you feel about Rocky starting to sleep with you?
I don't, because it's not happening.
That's a sexy foot.
It is, and I ain't afraid to show it.
That's going to be the cover for the video.
Feet.
Yeah. Someone thought this video
Get a eye on this car, you don't.
What'd you say, Roman?
That's Mally. That's Roman.
Oh.
Who are you talking to, bro?
What'd you say, Molly? You just want to stand there with your tongue out?
Yeah.
Don't run away from me!
He's got a camera. It's going viral. That's the guy in the truck. You get home and develop these pictures. Little boy and a dog. I love dogs.
How much did that, like, open the door and, like, run in there and poop everywhere? Please.
We should have been like, second boy, jump through that window.
He would.
Stop it.
Hey, hold on here. I got to run up the street. I'll be right back.
Yeah, we're going to go visit Dustin. I mean, I'm going to drop you off at Dustin. Yeah, it's still considered dropping him off.
3 hours later. Oh, that's the sexy beard.
Let him eat Dustin's ass.
Come here!
Are you serious? Yes, the dog. He's delusional. See, I don't know how I come out halfway not retarded. I mean, Dad's delusional,
Hey.
Mom's delusional.
Hey,
That's psychopath. You shouldn't be driving.
Texting, driving, talking to the dog.
No, that's scary.
A dog driving.
Yeah, I feel safer. Oh, did your master leave? I'm freaking out, man. How am I gonna get home?
Sick him.
He's freaking out. He really might bite somebody. If I get bit, I'm gonna take his eye.
Alright, well, we're coming to the end of this video, so.
He may hurt me, but I'm taking his
sexy
eye.
tongue.
Just like
But yeah,
just like Happy Gilmore.
Fuck y'all.